Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. All designs are created by amazing collection and Easter wreaths design, Easter board ideas, Easter signboards. So guys, if you like my channel, that is the Easy Craft Videos is one of the best channel that provide you outstanding and most amazing designs of the Easter. So Easter wreaths designs are available on my YouTube channel and amazing designs, not the repeated and not the old designs. If you like my channel, and please subscribe to my channel, and this collection is all about the wreaths designs. Thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channel, to like my YouTube channel, to share my YouTube channel, one of the best collection that provides you the outstanding wreaths designs. So guys, please support to my YouTube channel.